Alright friends, now we will learn about the indexOf method in Java programming. I have already added some elements to the array list. If I want to find out the index of a specific element, I can use the indexOf method. For example, if I want to check the index of number 66, what I need to do? I come here, I delete this is empty, and after dot notation I use indexOf. So I just give the number. If I run my code, if I run it, you see 2 appears on the screen because ArrayList is 0 indexes. I mean, the first element start from index 0. So 1 is at my 0 index, -3 is at my 1 index, at my first index, and 66 is at my second index. So 2 appears on the screen. If I change it from 66 to 67, for example. So what will happen? If that element doesn't exist in the list, the result will be -1. This means the item wasn't found in the array list. So I save it and I run it. You see -1 appears on the screen. So in our exercise, we can use the result inside an if statement. I mean, if indexOf returns -1, it means the item doesn't exist. Super. I hope you understand indexOf method.